Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reorder blog posts in Wix. If you manage a blog on your Wix site, you might want to control the order your posts appear in, whether it's to highlight certain content or simply organize them better. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Click on Blog, and a drop-down selection will appear with several choices related to your blog management. From that drop-down, go ahead and select Posts. This will take you to the main area where all your blog posts are displayed and managed. Now you'll see a complete list of all your blog posts laid out in front of you. To rearrange the order of these posts, we'll start by working on one from the very bottom of the list. This way, you'll clearly see the changes once we're done. Find the blog post you want to reorder and click on the Edit button next to it. This opens up the post editor where you can make changes to the content and settings of that particular post. Here's where the reordering happens, and the process is actually pretty straightforward. The key to rearranging your blog posts is adjusting the publish date. Posts in Wix are typically ordered by their publish date, from latest to oldest, so if you want a post to appear higher up in your blog feed, you'll need to give it a more recent date. To do this, click on the Settings button on the left navigation panel. A side panel will slide out from the left with various options for your post. In that side panel, look for the Publish Date section and click on it. You'll see the current date and time the post was published. Now you can change this to a date that reflects where you want the post to appear in your blog order. If you want it to show up near the top, choose a date close to your actual current date. This will effectively move it up in the sequence when your blog posts are displayed. Once you've configured the publish date adjustment to your liking, it's time to save those changes. Simply click on the Publish button located at the top right part of your screen. After you click Publish, you'll notice that the arrangement of your blog posts has changed. The post you just edited should now appear in its new position based on the date you assigned it. You'll want to repeat this process for all the blog posts that need reordering. Just go through each one, adjust the publish date accordingly, and publish the changes. This gives you full control over how your content is displayed to your readers. And there you have it, you've successfully reordered your blog posts in Wix by adjusting their publish dates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.